It's hard to believe, but this project started as just an empty backyard and a vision.
My name is Randy Carlson. I live here in Venice, Florida. I'm talking to you today because we are absolutely thrilled with the cage that Screen Factory put on.
We designed precise blueprints and 3D visualizations to make sure every single detail was absolutely perfect. First, our team handled the concrete work to create a rock-solid foundation for the entire structure. Then, we efficiently assembled and installed the heavy-duty aluminum cage itself, built to last. And here is the stunning final result. Look at how it completely transforms the home. The space instantly feels larger, completely open, and filled with air.
The quality is just exceptional. We just had no hiccups. Everything was done in a timely manner. And again, we really thank you for this wonderful cage.
Ready to transform your backyard? Send us a DM today.